Hey guys, in this video I will be talking about the two ways in which we can insert CSS into our HTML document. Now in my previous video I mentioned that there are three ways to insert CSS into our HTML, and in this video I will be showing you the first two ways to do it. I actually already shown you the first way to insert CSS into HTML, which is this. It's called inline styles. Basically what you do is you put a style attribute in each of the tags you want to customize with CSS, and you put in the CSS declaration inside each of the styles attribute inside the tag, like so, like the color blue, margin left, and the color green in two different p tags. Now this is okay if you have a small HTML document like this one, but then if your document gets too big and once you've put your website online and then you want to make changes to stuff, it's going to be really difficult to see each of the CSS and search for it. Therefore, there is another method to insert CSS in which you can put together all the all the styles, the decorations, the CSS into one place, which is called an internal style sheet. I hope you understood my bad explanation, but even if you did, don't worry, because I'm just going to show you it now, and once you see it, it's really easy. Now inside the head tag over here, you write all your CSS in there instead of writing it into each of the tags you want to customize. So inside our head tag we are going to write style, give it some space, and at the end we are going to close it with another style. So instead of putting style attributes in each of the tags, you can actually have a style tag, and within the style tag you can add all the CSS into it. Now how are we going to tell which tag you want to customize? Now there are a couple ways. One of them is just simply saying that I want to change P, which is p tag. Now I write if I want to customize the p tag, I write p and then use this quirky brackets and close it with another curly bracket, and inside here we are going to write the CSS declaration. Declarations are these ones: color blue, margin left 30, color green. Okay, now if I want to change, let's delete this for now. Delete. Let's save it and have a look. Now we are back to square one, where we have two texts surrounded by p paragraphs with no CSS involved, so it's all black in the same place and pretty boring. Now let's change this one to blue. So this is a p tag, so we write p and we write the curly brackets, and inside that we are going to say that the color is blue. Now let's save our work and refresh. There we go. However, excuse me, because we only said p is going to be color blue, all the p tags within this HTML document is now going to be blue. So not only this is going to be blue, but then this will also be blue, like so. Now there are ways in which you can specify in which you can say make only this one blue, but then if I want to change this one to green or red, we could actually use the inline CSS style equals color red. and then bang, this turns into red. This is another use, the good thing about using inline styles. Now CSS prioritize the newest lowest CSS declaration. So basically documents are read from the top bottom, so the place I'm highlighting are being read. So the P color is blue, is being read, so this one is going to be blue. But then, because before it just reads the P tag, they read the style attribute and say the colors are red, this overwrites the P color equals blue declaration and gets prioritized over the first one. Therefore, this text is going to be displayed as red. This is one way in which you can combine internal style sheet and inline styles so that you can customize how you want your HTML to look. Now say I have an H1, so this is a website there, and I want to customize it. I could just add, try not to make too much space so that the HTML goes away. All I need to do, just like the P1, is H1, the curly brackets, and inside that let's give it a color of green. There we go, easy peasy. Now, like I mentioned a couple minutes ago, there are other ways in which we could specify which P tag is going to be color blue and so on without the need of using inline styles. But I'll talk about that in another video, because that's going to be another 5-10 minutes of explaining a new concept. So this was a quick video on how to the two ways in which we can insert CSS into our HTML document using inline styles and internal style sheet. Now for my first couple videos, I will be using internal style sheet to show you various CSS, so that the CSS and the HTML is in one place within the document, the same one, so that it's easier for you guys to see. But then after that, I will be telling you the third way in which you can insert CSS into HTML. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.